Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you different ways in which you can rock a head scarf, a head wrap in just a few minutes and you are out. Okay, all right, so without further ado, we're just going to get right into the video. All right, so my hair is a mess and that's why I'm wearing the hair wraps. It's a mess and it's dirty, still dirty. I'm hoping I can wash it finally, okay, this week. But anyways, I'm just gonna start with style number 1. Okay, so this style is really easy. Everything is easy peasy lemon squeezy, is that how they say it? So I'm just starting out by making sure my hair is covered up, nicely covered up, and then in front I'll just twist it, and then after I twist it, I'm just twisting one side, okay, and then I'm gonna wrap that around the little bun thing that formed over there, and then I'll do the same on the other side, just twist it up, and then they're gonna kind of meet in front, and then I'll just tuck it in, and it's that easy, guys. That's style number 1. Okay, and I love wearing head wraps or hair scarves during the summertime because it's really hot. All right, so this is style number 1. It's so beautiful and I love it. Okay, so beautiful. So if there's one thing I like doing when I'm filming and you guys cannot see because I edit it out, I love is playing music, jamming, and whilst I film and style my hair. Okay, all right, so on to style number 2, and this is a really dramatic style. I don't think it's everyone's cup of tea, but I love it. I don't really wear this style, but I love it. So the only thing I'm gonna do is the same thing in front, but I'm forming a knot right here, and then I'm gonna do it again as if I want to tie a ribbon. So we're gonna form a ball in front, okay, just like so. And it's a little bit dramatic and it's not everyone's cup of tea, but it's nice. I think it's pretty if you were like doing a photo shoot of some sort, you know, it would be banging. And yeah, I love it for that. So that's the style, and you're just gonna make sure that you pull up your scarf and make sure it fits your head, your hair shape, you know. Tuck the wrap where you need to. If you need to tuck it, you can even use bobby pins if it need to be done. Yeah, and that's style number 2. And guys, don't forget to comment below and let me know which scarf style you're feeling, okay? Okay, now style number 3, and we're toning it down. Okay, so if style number 2 was too much for you, this is something you can do. And I'm also tying in front like so, and this is so similar to the first style, but the only difference is I'm gonna start twisting it, and then I had a different hairstyle in mind, and then I ended up changing my mind. But you're literally just trying to form a turban in front right there, basically. Okay, I don't even think I realized how similar these two were until I was done. Until I was editing, I was like, this is basically the same. But yeah, it's still a little bit different, but it's similar to the first one. But I think I prefer this one over the first one. So it's all about what you like, okay? So for the 4th one, I don't need my hair to be in front, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move it and take it to the back, guys. I'm embarrassed on how dirty my hair is, but we're gonna clean it, okay? All right. So yeah, I'm just gonna tie it in the back because the style requires me to have my hair in the back. Okay, so after we tie it, we're gonna get the scarf and we're just tying it in the back, just like a normal, just like you normally tie something. And then I just twist them together and wrap it around my head. Okay, and tucking it at the back, and if you want, you can use some gel, to kind of slick your hair in front if you feel like it. But this is the hairstyle. Love this, so pretty, and it goes so well with the jewelry that I was wearing. Okay, all right, now style number 5, I believe. Okay, also we're just tying in the back, and this one is the one that I usually wear the most out of all the hairstyles that I showed you guys, because it's literally, my hair is dirty, lazy natural, and we're not trying to walk around with the bonnet like Monique said. No, I'm just kidding. Do you, boo, do you. Anyway, so I'm just gonna twist it in the back and just wrap it around in the back. That's it. It's that easy, and I definitely do wear this one the most. Okay, when my hair's dirty, I just want to go run some errands real quick. Okay, and I'm out the door. This is the scarf style, so cute and so simple, and that's why I didn't do like a lot of jewelry with this one, because I wanted to show you the real, because this is how I would really do it. All right. All right, now the last hairstyle. Oh gosh, the last scarf style. Okay, and this turned out to be my absolutely favorite. I would definitely wear this to like a function, like a traditional wedding, and it's so easy. So I didn't even tie it in the back, just wrapping it around, taking one side and wrapping the other one on the other side and tucking it in, and that's it. Look at that. It's so easy and it's lovely. I love it. And then you wear your nice traditional outfit and you are all good to go with your nice jewelry. Okay, it's just that simple. You didn't even have to put a little work in your hair, guys. Like, scarves are where it's at, and that's literally how I like to wear my hair. And voila, and this is the finished look, and I love the jewelry. It goes so well with the scarf. All right, okay. All right, so this is it for this video. Don't forget to comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and comment and do all that good stuff, share and everything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.